Hi guys! Welcome back to our vlog. We are still doing our soup week. Soup week, guys, and we are on our 9th soup. Soup number 9. I am having potato soup, guys. It will be how am I gonna call this soup? Soup. Of course it's soup. Potato and cheese soup. Yes, I know this is gonna be one of my favorite. So because I love yukon gold potato. So guys, for the potato, I washed it really good, and I'm going to boil this. I just cut it in cube size, so it's easier to boil. And I added the skin because I wanted to have a different texture with the skin on. And anyway, the skin is has nutrients in it anyway, so just make sure wash it really good. And yukon gold potato is actually the best one to use because the skin is very smooth and very thin, so it's okay to use it with your potato soup. And I have 3 different kind of cheeses. This is the Havarti, this is the Velveeta, Quick Melt, and this is the spicy jalapeno spicy cheddar, smoked cheddar. It says spicy, but it's not really spicy. So we have the potatoes. I have some bacon, and the bacon, half of it I'm going to use it for our toppings. Same thing with the green onions. Half is for toppings and half is I'm going to add it to the soup. And then I have flour, half a cup of heavy cream, and 1.5 cup of water on this cup. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more, probably 1 more cup of water. And then I'm going to just grate the cheese and put the potatoes on our boiling water. So I'm gonna put salt, and we're just gonna cook the potatoes until it's really tender so we can mash it. And for our seasoning, guys, I have the chicken bouillon, garlic powder, onion powder, salt and pepper, and our smoked paprika. Love this thing. I can smell the smoked cheese. And for the Velveeta, I'm just going to cut it because you cannot grate this one because it's really soft. There you go for our cheese. So guys, while we are waiting for our potatoes to be done, I'm going to cook our bacon. Okay, now it's all crispy. I'm going to remove it from the pan. So now I'm going to make our roux, the flour. I don't think I'm gonna put all the flour. I think that's enough right there. I'm going to put the cream or the heavy cream and the water mixture. And I'm gonna add more water to this. Season it. Chicken bouillon powder, onion powder, garlic powder, pepper, salt, and the smoked paprika. I'm also going to add the bacon and the green onions. And while we are waiting for that to boil, we're going to mash the potatoes. See guys, because I added the skin, we have a different texture to our soup besides the bacon. That's it for the potatoes. I'm gonna go ahead and add the potato, guys. Oh my, that looks so yummy. You want to get all this flavor. The bacon flavor. Let's not waste that bacon flavor. Then I'm going to add the cheese. Almost done. Soup number 9. Yum. And look at that, guys. I just happen to have a cheese biscuit. Then pair it with your crackers. And so now I'm going to add more cheese, of course. More cheese on top. Bacon and our green onion. Yes, please. Yes, please, more cheese. Take a look at our soup number 9. Look at that. Does it look like restaurant quality? I'm very sure it tastes like more than restaurant quality. Yum. Soup number 9, guys. Potato and cheese. Let's see. Because of all the bacon and the cheese that we put, let's see if we can still taste the potatoes. I was gonna put some on this small bowl right here, that cute bowl that I got from Japan. But I said, why put some there if I can just have this whole bowl? So let's mix it really, really good and see if we are going to taste all the ingredients that we put on our soup number 9. Hopefully it's not so hot. Wow, I love it that I added the skin, the potato skin. It gives like texture to our soup. And even though, look at the cheese, look at the cheese dripping. Even though even though I put bacon and lots of cheese, I can still taste the potatoes. That's why I like Yukon Gold, guys, because Yukon Gold has a very good flavor compared to all of the potatoes. That's just me, I guess. I love Yukon Gold. But anyway, I can taste the potato really good. I can taste the different kind of cheese, and I can taste the bacon. So there's lots and lots of flavor on our soup number 9. And then the skin, you chew it with the bacon. Perfect. The paprika is just a little spicy. So I can taste the paprika. Oh, I forgot to put my my crackers. So you just choose the crackers that you like, and because I have this cheese bread that Chris got from the store the other day, we'll try and use it. Perfect. Oh my goodness, look at that goodness. See how creamy? Very, very creamy. Look at the cheese. Yum. Look how gorgeous it looks, guys. And it goes in my mouth. Okay, guys, I'm showing him. I'm showing you guys that he's going to try the potato soup. He doesn't like to be in the camera when he's eating.
I almost don't want to. It looks so nice.
It looks like restaurant quality.
Better.
How is it?
It's really good.
Describe it.
It's not earthy.
Not earthy?
No, but it's got really good seasoning that you can continue tasting it after you chew it.
Can you taste the paprika? Smoked paprika. I added the potato skin, so it has texture. Is it
A+.
Is it pasado?
Pasado.
Pasado.
Sobrang sarap.
Pasado garantisado. Panalong panalo. Say, okay, bye for now.
Bye for now. We eat.
Bye, guys. See you later. Give the flying kiss.
Nope.
Bye. Bye for now. Mwah.